An account freeze can cost you thousands in a single day. The real question is, how fast can your processor step in to help? Here is a quick test you can try. Search a processor's help center for emergency contact or urgent account issues. As you will see, most responses go through standard queues, not instant help. And when your money's on hold, that delay can be devastating. For high risk businesses, downtime isn't just inconvenient, it can shut down your operations. But most processors only offer general support channels, leaving you stuck in line while your account hangs in limbo. With EasyPay Direct, you get a single point of contact who actively manages your account. If issues come up, they work directly with banks on your behalf, minimizing downtime and getting you answers fast. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check them out. They also offer chargeback mitigation tools to keep disputes from escalating into bigger account problems. If you want a processor that takes urgent issues seriously and gets you back up quickly, EasyPay Direct is the partner to trust. The sign up link is right there in the description when you are ready.